Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to RWD Status, chilling with your boy Status. And today we have something different. So as you guys know, I already got my car up and running and painted, body kit installed and everything. And she took a shit on me. So in order to fix that, we ended up getting a parts car. I know, right? She looks exactly like my car before it was painted. This is amazing. So I'm gonna give you some details on this beautiful 1989 S13, you know what I mean, single cam. Basically I'm gonna pull a few parts off of it to get my other car running, and this is gonna be our new team chassis. So it's gonna be a team missile car. Full interior. Honestly guys, this car is not bad at all. You know, stock 5-speed transmission. Steering wheel included. You know, steering wheel included. Look at that. Not bad condition at all. Door panels. Carpet. Yeah, and it's not the carpet door panels either. It's like some weird leather. So is the glove box over there too, which is pretty cool. Let me see if I can throw the glove box in there. You know what I mean? Yeah. And it's freaking sunroof. I got a slick top, so I've always wanted one of these.
These aren't electric. They're just like this thing.
I don't know. I guess you can just pop them up. But it looks super dope. That's like the baller status. That's like how you know you're super baller when you have a fucking sunroof and it's popped up. You know what I mean? 240 stat, yeah. But yeah, man, not a bad deal. You want to tell them? Should we tell them how much we bought it for? Should we tell them? Yeah. They're gonna want to know. Look, guys, I'm sure you already know. I might have posted it in the description, or it might be in the thumbnail. But this is a $300 240. That's right, guys. I would have bought it for $300, except somebody.
Actually, no, he was actually offered him $5, and I was like, what are you doing? He was gonna take $4. And so he goes back and offers him $3, and the guy's like, I don't know, his original asking price was $1,000. And they were just standing there for like 5 minutes, nobody said anything. I was like, bro, give him $350, let's get the fuck out of here. He's like, okay, will you do that? And that was it. And now he's all pissy about the $50, so I was like, I'll pay it, okay? I'll pay you the $50.
Bro, seriously, he was gonna take the $300. I would have saved $50. You know what I mean? It would have been more epic.
It, so it would have been $25 a piece.
Yeah, we're splitting the car now, so it's like I would have paid $150. What the fuck? Can't count. I would have paid $150 as opposed to me paying $175, which is a whole $25 extra. I could have bought like a used tire with an extra $25. Like, who knows? You know what I'm saying?
A used tire for $25.
I don't know. Could have bought something for $25. And gas, you know, gas ain't cheap, dude. It's fucking premium and shit. Or a cookie, who knows? I don't know. Fucking Wawas. But no, legitimately, it was not a bad deal. The guy was asking $1,000 for this 240, and you can see it's in pretty good freaking condition. However, this fender was completely trash. It was like some shitty fender. So all we did was use my old fenders from my beautiful 240. Look at that. This thing looks amazing. I'm super pumped about it, honestly. $300 240, and yes guys, it runs and drives. Okay, but the motor turns on though. Kind of runs and drives.
Doesn't run, doesn't drive.
Yet.
Lying.
Yet. Fucking haters, dude. Fucking haters.
What is this, like an OEM?
I don't know. It's a butt plug. Fucking butt plug shifter. Alright, but anyway guys, we're gonna unload this real quick, throw it into the shop, and get back to work. We got shit to do. So gonna get this thing going, and then we're gonna go get a run through on this 240, what I need on it, what I don't need, and what we need in order to make it a full-blown track missile car. This is gonna be awesome. So if you guys have any suggestions or any inputs or anything, drop them in the comments, email me, whatever you guys wanna do, hit me in the DM, you know what I'm saying? Oh, the DM, oh God. Either way, direct message, bro. Yeah, hit me up, let us know what you guys think, and you know, we're gonna keep going. Peace out.